Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm happy you found your way here. And today I'm making an Easter bunny figure from air dry clay. For this you will need some foil. First, shape the foil into a bunny form. This is a great technique because the clay should not be too thick, otherwise it might not dry properly and could crack. With foil you can easily make the shape and then cover it with the clay. This also makes the bunny ears strong and helps them keep their shape. Next, cover the whole foil bunny with air dry clay. Make it thick enough so that when you sand it later, the foil doesn't show through. About 0.5 to 1 centimeter thick is good, but it doesn't have to be that exact. I smoothed the surface mostly with my fingers, but you can also use a little water if you like. Let it dry completely for a couple of days. After that, you can sand the surface smooth if you want. This is a really fun project to do with kids, and if you make it with kids, I think sanding is not even necessary. It's also nice to have a more natural textured surface. You can sand the surface smooth if you want. If you're sanding, please remember to use a mask because sanding makes a lot of dust. I first used 180 grit sandpaper and then 1000 grit to get a very smooth finish. Wipe away the dust sometimes so you can see where to sand. After wiping, if the surface becomes a bit wet, let it dry before sanding again. Here you can see I sanded too much and the foil became visible, but that's okay. I just added a little more clay on top and filled some other small holes at the same time. Let it dry and then you can sand it smooth again. And finally wipe away all the dust carefully and it's done. You can paint it with acrylic paints and seal it with varnish if you like, but I really liked this white bunny figure style. Thank you so much for watching and please like the video and remember to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!